Hey everyone, welcome back to our series on mastering the command line and Linux. Uh, this is our second video where we are going to dive deeper into the Linux basics, including some must-know commands, how to view and edit files, and ways to customize your cell environments for better efficiency. If you missed the previous video, make sure to check it out. The link is in the description now. Okay, now let's jump right in. First, let us see some basic commands. Okay, so first we are going to cover few essential commands that you will use every time to work with the terminal. Let's start with navigation. So first command is pwd. Okay, present working directory. Pwd means present working directory. Okay, when you open your terminal, it's important to know where you are in the system. The pwd command tells you exactly that. It shows your current directory. Go ahead and try it in your terminal now. Okay, see, this is my terminal. So I have written, so the terminal will be here. It's in full screen now. So terminal, you have to open your activities. Click here. You can see here, this is the terminal. Okay, so this is pwd command. So you can see here, so showing home directory. In the home directory, the folder is prasanna. It's inside user folder. Prasanna is the user. You can see here, pwd is showing the present working directory. Okay, so the next command is the listing directory contents. List directory contents. Okay, once you know where you are, you will probably want to see what's around you, right? Use ls to list all the files and folders in your current directory. And if you want to more detailed info, then add l minus l or minus a. So see here the ls command. Okay, so ls command, it is listing all the details inside the folder. Okay, so if you want more details about the folder, you can use ls minus l. Okay, so if you want more details in hidden files and all, you can see the hidden files and a little files and everything. It is showing ls minus a. Okay, so it is showing the directory permission, then group, user, when it is created, and the file name. Okay, next we are going to change directory. We need to move between directories. Use the cd command to change the directories. Want to go up one level, just type cd here. cd documents. Okay, so if you want to go one level up, then use cd dot dot. Want to go to home folder, then you can see I am inside documents. Okay, so pwd use this. It's not my home folder. So if you want to go to home folder, then directly just click cd pwd. It's in my home folder. This is my home folder. Okay, next we'll move to cp and move command. So cp means copy command. Okay, sorry, cp means copy command, to copy the file or something to something, then you will use copy command. Next is me command. me is move files. If you want to make a copy of a file, you will use copy command. And if you want to move or rename the file, then you will use a move command. Okay, so documents. So let me create one file here. You can see here one file is created here. So if you want to copy the file, copy. I will write something in this. This is file. Okay, I have written something here. Okay, let me copy the file. First one is a copied file. See, it is having the same content as test.txt, right? So if you want to move the file, move the file means, see, I'll move it to outside of the folder in my test1 to documents, then I will rename there as test2.txt. okay, so ls, here it is not there. Okay, only two files are there. Then I'll move one folder outside. Then you do here ls cd or test2 is, I copied here only, moved here only, so that is why it is here. You can use the same method. Okay, so the move method, it is just renamed here in this case, and that means it is moved to a new location with a new file name. Okay, so then rm is to remove the file. Okay, be careful with this one. The rm command permanently deletes the file and there is no undo, so always double check before you hit enter. Okay, so rm test2 ls minus l, the file is gone. Okay, so I'm now inside pwd. So the next command is, I'm going to explain next command. This is mkdir. Mkdir is make directory command. To keep things organized, you can create a directories with mkdir. Simple and efficient. Okay. So I will create here. Give me a file name. Okay. New folder. See, the folder is in blue letter. Okay, blue color. See, let's go inside the new folder. Okay, this is to create the new make directory, is to create the new folder. Okay, so viewing and editing, next section. Now till now what we have seen, it's all listing the directory and all those operations. Now viewing and editing. Now that you have to now that you know how to navigate and manage files, right? Let's talk about how to view and edit them right now from the terminal. So cat. Let me create a. So the cat command quickly displays the content of the files in your terminal. Let's try to. Okay, let me create a file. I'm just creating a file here. So see, there is a file, okay? The file is name.txt. If you want to see this file without opening it, you can use the cat command to display the small files. Okay, something like configuration files and all. If you want to see, then you can use the cat file. You can use less command to see the large files. So if there is something large files, let me copy this. You can use less command. You have to use to q to exit. Okay, the less command. To view larger files, you have to use the less command. For larger files, cat may not be the best option. That's where less commands comes in. Okay, it lets you scroll through a file one page at a time. Okay, so you have seen, right? So you are like this. You have to scroll through. Okay, Q is for escaping. Then editing file with nano or vi. For editing files, we have got two popular editors, either nano or vi. Okay, vi for more advanced users. Okay, nano for beginners. Let's start with nano. It's straightforward and easy to use. Okay, the same file I will edit using. You can see here. You can easily scroll your. Can edit it. So to exit here, Control Shift O for overwrite. Wrote 42 lines. Okay. For exit, Control Shift X. Okay. So it's written. If you want to like try more powerful trick, then try with VI. See, one in VI, there is insert mode. If you want to like it's command mode. So if you want to go to insert write something, then you have to press I and you have to go into the insert mode. Then escape, press escape key, then colon W write and quit. So this writes into the file. Okay. Next, customizing this. shell environment. Let's make the shell work for you by customizing it. Okay, the shell environment is highly customizable, and with just a few tweaks, you can make it faster and more efficient. Okay, so there are environment variables. Your system uses environment variables like path. You can see the path variable, the environmental variable. If you want to see, then you have to use like this. This is the environmental usual. Then home. Home is also environment variable. Then user is also an environment variable. This you can use. It stores the important information, these variables. Okay. For example, path tells you the system where to look for the programs. See, these are like if you have installed Python, then it will have the Python variable. Bin bash, all those where the like usually system has to look for the program that is stored here in the path variable. Okay, so these are environment variables. Then aliasing. If you want to create some shortcut, see, if I have to run ls minus lrth, so it gives the details, right? So if I give ll, it is still working here. ll is working, so alias is already there. So yeah, I will okay, list command is not there. Okay, let me create alias for this one. You can see here to create alias, you have to use alias command, and then lst is equal to ls minus a. Now if you use lst, it will give you the hidden files also. So this is just a shortcut. If you there is more commands like lengthy commands, and if you want to try it in one single word, then you can use aliasing. Can want to keep your alias permanently, you can add it to your bashrc file. Okay, if you want to add it, if you want to keep this alias permanently, then you have to use bashrc file. Modifying bash hrc file. Your bash hrc file runs every time you open a new terminal. Okay, it's the perfect place to store your custom alias and environmental settings. It is the bash hrc file. So this you have to update aliasing. So I will not modify here. So I don't want anything to add as of now. So if you want even of your commit, I will show you in a different session. Now let us see. We have seen many commands today. So let us create a directory called Linux practice mkdir once again. mkdir Linux practice. Okay. Let us revise a short Linux practice mkdir. Inside Linux if you want to go to inside, then you have to go like this: Linux practice, then move into docs, create a file called readme.txt. Okay, here we will create one doc called readme. Using nano we will edit. Okay, sorry, write it, exit, control shift O, control shift X. Create alias. We have already created alias. So to create alias, you have to use alias ls t or anything, the keyword which you want to create the alias instead of the long command ls minus a. This alias already exists. Okay. Now if you use ls key, it will give you this. So that is all for today. Let us wrap up for today. We covered a lot today in a short video, from basic commands to file editing and shell customization. Some of the few topics. Keep practicing these commands because the more you use them, the more comfortable you will get. Tomorrow or in next video, we'll build on this by diving deeper into more advanced Linux topics. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment and hit the like button. The notification bells you so you don't miss future lessons. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.